Kinungilam juga seng Mekhla Pradesh Congress Committee. Kila ya dating ya ke jeng kershan juga seng ya ke National People's Party bantau ya ke isi ke batama ya pok Khasils Autonomous District Council. Habaikan bikin otok khubor mata ke sengi ka arfu tarik ujeliu arajar arfulai kinungilam juga seng kila ong baka jeng kershan ya ke NPP ya hapok ke cirisi ke day. Halor kinongrem bat ke isu ke babiang menyada ya ke ri baka jaj penriu. Halor ke jeng kelipan lah hatu ka sengkan kershan ni ya ke NPP ha ka sokar jela kinungilam juga seng kila ong pada jenada omdon ka seng BJP ka kongres kalong ka bai kloi ïatreilang bak NPP ha ka sokar MDE ka baar ka juk por kle thuru baka jeng kershan jeng ka kongres ya ke NPP ha pok hasil sa autonomous district council ka dei pakle yo jeng be ru na ka high command na pok Delhi
as a party, because in my absence, we authorize as a party to the CLP of the council. We have a CLP of the MLAs and we have a CLPs of the MDCs. So the CLP of the MDCs, Panchingang, somehow has taken a very big decisions. Ka banamkong hingi ko aman ong ba as a congress ni klem dan jimut pan penhab ya ka dis council ni have no role pan penhab ya ka dis council hangte hapo dis council ndre ke jing ya shoot paramaki ke jing ya kenok paramaki ke jing ayu paramaki ki penhab den kata ki sakot ini te ini snow ba na mentak interest yang paiba nanta interest yang ka council te ting na try ni habis mentak number 1 ni mari ong ki ban ya join lang bat ki ni ba roni la phone ni ba ngai ni discuss ba ni ya thir ba po party ni sham ba ka way ka ba na i ba ka amendment jong ka six schedule ka long kin select menta kin sabandra kilara parliament haka 6th of February 2019 ya kani ka amendment kila submit ka report on the 5th of March 2020 te menta ka BJP kan manra ya ka amendment jong ka 6 schedule hapo parliament haswa bakan ra ya ka apar ya ka amendment hapo parliament kidon kam ya ka views resolution na ka dis council kidon kam ka views resolution na ka state comment nang ta kinsa accept leni deny leni kin kentai ya kita ka resolution ngingim tip ke accept le kentai ring isnya hukum ke parti nila berkat ha ba ka six schedule ke day ka bala stang menduk menswa ka por ka kongres ka ba ai namta ka riti ka dustur jongi ka jakah ki puta jingi ki ka best ka day ha ka six schedule tingi tarai ni berkat ba ngin klet ya ki ku ke jing ya per hang ne hang teng te namta ka amendment jong ka six schedule ngin ngoi ka e tamu ide ban don banta ban say something tingi say something hanu berkom we have two options ka way options lada ngin lek hasurok ngin lek hamot pran ngin lek polis bajar ban ya ban protes persya ya ka BJP ngin lek Delhi ban persya lene ngin rung hapo dis council ban ai ka resolution hapo dis council knang ba ka ka bengidon hukum ka parti nila ban ai la de accept so experience ban mata kini ong ba ban ya begi lek susurok ka jing penduk mentoy je pun kinorep ka bahangin rumah dis council in pan ka resolution dis council in ïatreilang knang ngin yo ban amen ya ka schedule nama timut ban ra no menta ngan ai ki ke number 1 ngai ka amen ya schedule ka dei ban penduk bor no ya ki rang ba snong ya ki skim kata ka wei kham tam ayo hanu berkom ki introduce no da ka election commission kamut mentala da don ka jing ya le election hapo snong hapo thau kamdei su ban conduct kis aim leni ka dis council barabar habadon ka election hapo snong ka dis council ka authorize us aim ulek ka upek election kisa ai ka sanat ke ram snong mano bade ban job rekum balong menta ka amendment ka long be direct na ka election commission jong ka state ha ka dis council kin sa best kata kin salit penilai election mut ka bor jong kis aim ka bor jong ka ram snong kamlong kani kan man ra bon ke ji ka jia kata ka ba ka finance example menta ki release bisa na po Delhi ki release po dis council ulek ki ai ka tu bisa kin audit ka tu bisa kin audit kemud kam sudan jo ka free hand kumen chwa la dei di collect tax la ni kono dis council but kis aim ro kila ban hap haka ka ain ka bakin sa frame kat kam ki rules ngingi siam ki bon ki menta kanam dei show ka reti ka dustur kala long no da ka way ka reti kala change no da ka intention jongi ka long ban protect ban pene ban pensa ban preserve ban promote ji sam dei ban penduk tengi siam ba kane ka way ka long ka paton kam ba ka amendment jong ka sedul ka ngite ban ye don kiti hangno ngimla ban don hapo state government ngimla ban don parliament ngila ban don ro andre ngi batai ro ting accept ra mereka bela ke dei tang hadis susul nala kata kata ha jing ya fail jong ka UDP bat NPP ke jing ayu jong ki court ingi join da kata ki intention ka ba ka this council bat ka state ngi dei ban ya fair example ha ka por ba doktor mukul ulong Chief Minister udah kongres hero, hak tu kopor pak pencengan ulam UCM udah kongres, henry pak pencengan macam, ting mentapan penyok por ya ki rang pak senong, hak tu kopor pak pencengan ulah cedok Supreme Court, te kam daya ka ke barai hapok state comment le ni ke barul hapok state comment ka di benrul hadis council, kam daya kanu ka ïatreilang hapok state comment ka di benlong ka council, kam long rakala pan ya per ladai ka jo ka parti dan ka different parti ka council ka don ka jong ka state ka jong ka kata yang ngatain ini pan penyeper ka state pan ka discussal kamut hang te ngilong opposition hang ni ngilong ruling kamlong ru kata ka anya po council kam don re ka ten schedule ma ka ban disqualify kam don re kata ka ne kata the example man hakini example ku Marang ang DC marang ïatreilang bat ka ruling ko por ni klem na congress ni klem expel you ni sya no ïatreilang do na marka an ka sya tabling ngim sya te kata ka jingrung jongi hapo ka council kamde abai ne kwa kamde da mon re tang ban pne pensa tang nam ta interest of the council means interest of ki kasi jantia bat ki karo jongi kam tang kasi jantia kan ne this council interest of ki ndala amen pat ka sik sedel ka kata amde tang kasi jantia ka kata ki karo ka kata ya bopon ki kumbachi khatwai tli ki district council ka kata ni kum ka kamtam ka hills ni perkhat seni bha ka ne the rest nga try ka ne ka you ni accept ki jingkeli kat pe phi kwa ang ni happen so tho mene ngila khot ngila don ka emergent executive committee ngila khot ya baro ki district president ngila khot ya baro ki office bearers ngila pensil tho ki kiro nam kong ha swa be kin wan sini ki om ka e ka ne klik tersedong hakono company train dai la kren bha ki strategy kumno bangi le ni so tho ba o ka biang tikila hun kila yu tangi happen so tho pai ba ki bru jingi kun so tho pai ba na poi election la ni ki social media ki bobon ba kun ngai nin don hamne ba roni ba chal sin don hamne kin ai ki statement ki ba pher ban perkhat ba ka badai na mata ka yu ka kala bandon ka jing ta abanong kong kat bangin pat pensong tho pai ba anda bila pensong tho pai ba nga try kin so tho hi namar kani kam ke interest of congress alone kani ke interest of kajai pekri baro ko two is that in the council the leader will be from NPP the deputy leader will be from the congress so whatever decision we are taking will be for the interest of the council so there's no BJP in the council. So in the state will remain another opposition. There's no doubt. We'll take a different issues because the council mainly with land tenure system and the culture. I think that's the main in the council. Whereas in the states we take a different issues. We have 74, 75 issues, departments and different ministries from the center will take up all these issues.
So you are supporting NPP and NPP not only one of those seats here.
I think it's not that we are supporting NPP, we are working together in this council. I don't think it's suicidal because why in the election there will be a delimitation. We have a role to play in the delimitation. There will be a amendment of the 6th schedule. We have a role to play for the amendment of the 6th schedule. Rather we sacrifice our interest for the interest of the people. It's not that we work there for our own interest. And if you see the portfolio, Pak Pencengai will be looking for those portfolios where we could see that at least the interest of the public will be in the first rather than our own interest.
We have seen your former CMP leader, Kong Amperin, has asked what they are.
What Amperin has said, I don't want to confront what she has said. I have not seen the statement which she has said. So I think we are talking, we can give our own views and ideas. We don't want to argue on whatever she said.
But with the Congress joined
No, but Jose, what you said?
I just wanted to buy money.
Uh,
Is it all the NPP here?
LOAs are right.
No, that is me.
You see, we have sacrificed, I mean, we are willing to sacrifice the party's interest in the interest of the judgment.
But what is the interest of that? Only you are talking
No,
about
amendment of the sixth schedule. Amendment of the sixth schedule is going to affect our land tenure system. If it is going to affect our, this not culture, this village administration. If it's going to affect that, is the interest of the party more important or the interest of the judgment more important? So we have taken a stand that the protecting the interest of the judgment is more important than the interest of
Yeah,
the
that is in the final stage only.
Pardon?
There is nothing to again give any recommendation. It's in the final stage. The parliament-
I think
No, you see, we will take a stand, Bajos. As a party, we will take a stand, whether a stand is considered or not, but we have stood by our principle. The founding fathers of the party, of the country, found it fit to give us the sixth schedule. So the party will stand by that, come what may. If we happen that the sixth schedule is abolished, but the Congress party has no party in it, it's not a party to it.
But
I think-
Congress is always for review of border dispute. The first phase and second phase.
No,
But
you're
how will you
confusing.
reconcile?
We are talking about the
Yeah,
amendment
but
of the
this
sixth
issue,
schedule.
yeah, this issue, how will you reconcile? I think Charles can.
Nothing to say about that. No comments. I've already.
But what you want? He, ngan itu hop IP ni claim join Hanong no ïatreilang bat ke BJP. Ni ïatreilang bat ke UDP sans pusnam hati por baladep. Ni mdan tinga bat ke UDP. Menre mana kene bigi hap kan khot ki claim khot ini tan pon kan ki shoot paramaki aba khaddo ki. Ni mdan tinga ban ïatreilang UDP, ni mdan tinga ïatreilang bat bi perti henre ki jongi bat ka BJP. Ta hangno wat hane council ru bandadan BJP ban ïatreilang ni. Ideology ka ya per. Kata kai yang very clear ba ka ji ïatreilang jongi ka dei bat kino ngi accept andre bat ka dei ka mandate to ai pai ba jisa ka discussal ka mandate at last election ka ai ka congress chpomut ni job ka to ka por de lok ka amprin upet I kong grace upet nang tau bajop upet na ibon ki pet jisa ka to ka por ka mandate ki ki ai hat pot council ki ai ka congress kena try bakade ka kamram jumi ban protect ro ya ka discouncil kata ka daw ni perkhat bang ye jan ni la perkhat ban ni lai shong lai thier ni la yo ka pruan na hai ka man haswa bangin le kene kamde bangi sule join bangi yo pisau ko mo kitu gi ba join men chwa la ni kamde ko kata kani ni perkhat ba daga yo you'll be very happy if you can manage to dictate them just no
Minus BJP you are willing to support.
minus BJP we are ready to support sir
NPP.
support we ready to work together even
Yes.
minus BJP no there's no doubt so thank you I don't want to talk about Mukul but many people try to convince me many people try to woo me many people try to do me I'm not very cheap actually I started as a simple layman I cannot be just carried away by a party. I'll remain with the Congress, always remain with the Congress. Only provided that the Congress will throw me out, that's the but I'll not do. There's no question of me contesting. There's no doubt many of my friends, party workers from other, they used to tell me, why don't you contest from this party, BJP? I've got lots of NP friends, come to BJP, come to NPP, but it's not that. I'm not so cheap, number one. Number two is that, I always remain a simple man. I don't mind whether I lose or I win the election, but I should not surrender my rights. I should not always surrender my values. I should not surrender whatever that intention with the Congress has given me. No question from the NPP, no question from any party. I'll be with the Congress, contest from the Congress, and all of you should support me. I should win back. Yes. Thank you.